topic we have it is acidic, basic and neutral solutions. That how we can categorize whether the solution is acidic, basic or a neutral. So let's start the introduction. Basically, to know that whether the solution is acidic, basic or neutral, we just need to know the concentration of hydrogen ions. We need to know the concentration of the hydroxide ions. So then after knowing these two concentration, we will be able to find the solution is acidic or basic. So mainly there are three forms of solutions. The first one we have acidic, the second one we have basic, and the third one we have the neutral solution. So let's start one by one that what type of acids or solutions will be basic or neutral. So we will take the start from the neutral solution. So basically the neutral solutions are in a solution when we have a look, there is a concentration of H positive ions is equal to the concentration of the hydroxide ions. Then at this point the solution will be called as neutral solution. And when concentration of hydrogen ions and OH negative ions is equal, then here we have the pH is equal to 7 and the pOH is also equal to the 7. So any solution having the equal concentration of hydrogen ion and hydroxide ion, then it is said to be neutral. As stated earlier, we have seen that for the neutral solution at 25 degrees Celsius temperature, there the concentration of hydrogen ions is 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 7, and for that of hydroxide ions we have its concentration 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 7. Then at this point the solution is called as the neutral solution. So this is the simple, or what is the example of the neutral solution? If we have a pure water, so for example, if we have pure water, here the concentration of hydrogen ions and hydroxide ions is equal to each other, so it is known as neutral. Next we have the second form of the solution is acidic solution. So in acidic solutions or in acids, there is an increased concentration of the hydrogen ions. If the hydrogen ions concentration is more in an aqueous solution, then the solution is said to be as acidic. For example, if we have when H positive ions concentration is than greater than the 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 7, then the solution is said to be acidic solution. Here for the pH scale we know if the solution is having pH from 1 to 6, then the solution is acidic, and if concentration is greater than 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 6, greater means we have if 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 6, or we have minus 5, minus 4 and so on, then the solution is said to be acidic. And if we have at 25 degrees Celsius a solution where the concentration of H positive ions is almost 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 5, then the solution is called as acidic solution because it is having higher concentration of the H positive ion. On the other hand, the molar concentration of H positive ion is greater as compared to the concentration of the hydroxide ion, then the solution is called as acidic solution. So we have many acidic solutions like HCl. It is having very high pH, and we have sulfuric acid. It is also having the high pH from 2 to 3. So this is a acidic solution. Next we have the basic solutions. So what are the basic solutions? For example, here we have to have a look on the concentration of the hydroxide ions. The solutions that have more hydroxide concentration as compared to the hydrogen ions, then this solution is known as the basic solution. So here the concentration 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 7 of hydroxide concentration is greater. They have high concentration as compared to the 10 raised to power minus 7. Then the solution is called as the basic solution. So the main scale for the basic solution we have, it is going to be start from 8 to 14. If the solution is having the pH 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14, then the solution is said to be basic in nature. So there we have many examples of basic or bases like sodium hydroxide, we have potassium hydroxide. If we have a look on the soap, then it is also having mainly base, or soaps are basic in nature. So if the pH is from 8 to 14, then the solution is said to be basic in nature. And when we have a look at 25 degrees Celsius, then the basic solution, for example, if its concentration is 1.0 into 10 raised to power minus 4, that is the concentration of hydroxide ion, then the solution is basic in nature. So this is all about our today's lecture, that acidic, basic and neutral solution. I hope you guys understand, and if you have any queries you can ask me about that in the comment section. For that time, have a good day and Allah Hafiz.